Hi students, now let's continue with the minimization of DFA. In the previous video I explained with an algorithm. Now let's see the example on this minimization of DFA. So here I have given they are given one DFA, deterministic finite automata. I want to reduce the number of states in this finite automata so that you can say it is minimized. So what is the first step? First step means what is that? In a given DFA, I need to remove the unreachable states. Okay, so whatever the states that are unreachable from the initial state, that state has to be removed. So check. So here in the Q0, I'm reaching to Q1. Okay, I'm reaching to the Q2. How I'm going to reach the Q2? Okay, so here I'm not going. So come here. So from this also I'm not going to Q2. Okay, so from here also I'm not going to Q2. So then Q2 is unreachable. In the same way, check for the remaining thing. Q3 reachable, Q1 reachable, Q5 is also reachable. Q0 to Q3, Q3 to Q5. Means with the help of the intermediate states also you have to reach from initial state to that state. But here Q2 is not, I'm not able to reach. Now check for Q4. So from this way, no, there is no possible. And come here from this way, Q3 and Q5. I'm going to Q5, but I'm not going to Q4. So from initial state, I'm not able to reach the Q4 states. So just remove Q2 and Q4 in finite automata. Okay, because these are unreachable states. Okay, so now these two are removing from the state. So I'll get only the 4 states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q0, Q1, Q3 and Q5. So what's the second step? I need to draw the transition table. So after drawing the transition table, no need to check the diagram. Okay, so draw. After removing the unreachable states, I need to draw the transition table for the rest of the states, So states 0, 1. Okay, so Q0 is the initial state, I know that. Now let me check Q0 on 0 going to Q1 and Q0 on 1 going to Q3. So this is Q0, Q3. So next state is Q1. So Q1 on 0 goes to Q0 and Q1 on 1 goes to Q3. Q0, Q3. So in the same way I am writing for the remaining states also. Q5, and in the same way Q5 is going to Q5 on, so Q5 on 0 going to Q5, Q5 on 1 going to Q5 itself. Okay, so now I constructed the transition table. So now what is that? The next step 3. What is the step 3 according to our algorithm? Divide the table into 2 tables. Now divide the table, rows of a transition table, into 2 sets. One is the T1 and the T2. So one transition is of starts with table which starts from non-final states. Table, let me take the fresh page. Step 3, table which starts from non-final states. So what are the non-final states? So here the final states are, sorry, I didn't write the final states, only the initial state I have written. Q0 is the initial state, and here the final states are Q3 and Q5. These two are the final states. So what are the final states? The final states are Q3 and non-final states. What are the non-final states? These two are the final states. So these two comes under one table and these two comes under the another table. So I am splitting these two. These are the non-final states and these are the final states. So I am taking T1 and the T2. Tables which start from non-final states are Q0 and Q1. So on 0 and 1, it goes to Q1 and Q3, Q0 and Q3. So another table. Table which starts from final state. So that is Q3 and Q5. These are final state 0, 1. On 0 it is going to Q5. Here also Q5, Q5, Q5. So now coming to the step 4. So what is the step 4? So I had taken the DFA, I removed the unreachable states. After that I had drawn the transition table. So after that I split the table into two tables, T1 and T2. One contains non-final states, another contains final states. Okay. So now I need to check whether they are having the similar rows or not. So in this first table, you are getting the similar rows, Q1, Q3s, not similar. Q0, Q3, not similar. These two tables are not similar. These two rows are not similar because here these two are same, but these two are not same. Okay, you can say set 1 has, let me write here in step 4. Step 1, set 1 has no similar rows. Okay, no similar rows. So they will be same. They will be same. So don't change anything in this table. Now coming to this table. So here this table has two rows having the same fields, Q5, 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 Q5. So in the set 2, the row 1 and the row 2 are similar since Q3, Q5 transist to the same state 0 and 1. So just skip Q5 state, then replace Q5 by Q3 in the rest of the states. Okay. Set 2 has similar rows. So skip Q5 and then replace Q5 in place of replace Q5 by Q3. So wherever Q5 is there, just replace the in the place of Q5 with Q3. Okay. So in the rest of states. So what is the new state here? The table 2. So I just skip this row and you will get Q3. In the place of Q5, I have to write Q3, Q3. Okay. Now combine the two rows. So this is my new table and this is another table. Now combine the table in the step 6. Step 6. Combine set 1 and set 2. After combining the set 1 and set 2, you will get the new transition table. So what is the new transitions table with a state 0, 1. So what is the state? The first table contains Q0. I didn't change the first table because it doesn't have any similar rows. So the another table, it's this is the initial state and Q3 is the final state. In place of Q5, I need to write Q3. So this is my final transition table. And what is the transition diagram for this? Q0, Q1 and Q3 is the final state. 0, 1, 1 and 1. So this is the data flow diagram. So did you observe the starting we are having, this is the actual deterministic finite automata. So after minimizing, I'll get only 3 states. So here how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 states. I reduce the 6 states to 3 states. So this is how you need to minimize. The things that you have to remember, that is first step is just remove the unreachable states which are from initial state. The states that are not unreachable, just remove that from the transition diagram. Okay. After removing the unreachable state, you have to draw the transition table. After drawing the transition table, split the table into 2 tables. So one contains non-final states, another contains final states. In the 2 tables, you need to check which they are having the similar rows or not. If similar rows are there, just skip one of the row and replace that with the previous number. Okay, so the first name, and then after that combine the two tables and draw the transition diagram. Thank you.